Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope my all lovely friends fine and good. May Allah bless you and keep smiling. Always be happy in your life. First of all, thank you for spotting me and welcome my YouTube channel. I want to share crochet article design and I hope you like this video. This video I am sharing crochet doll design. All of the designs look great, so find your favorite pattern now. These three patterns are beautifully designed and suitable for both beginner and maker. The design for crochet every day. Crochet doll a great way to learn a new stitches with the picture a great deal of our time to make a small coaster doll design. Crochet doll patterns are one of the cutest items you can make as a shower gift for your friend. These crochet doll designs are simple to make and will look stylish and unique on your little one. This crochet doll can be as simple, elaborate as you want. All doll designs have a common and simple design. The crochet lovers are always searching for cute and unique ideas and plan to work on and get their shine more and more. These colorful patterns are beautiful and so unique for your children. So here this sweet idea for creating this doll winning design of using some custom color shaded on your crochet pattern design for your little doll. I hope you enjoy this collection of crochet doll patterns. If you like to crochet more free patterns, check out the crochet patterns below. This is a pattern for a beautifully designed this amazing collection for you. If you want more ideas and more decent patterns. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope this video very amazing and helpful for you. So friends, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. You will see new and latest update. So viewers, share this video to your friend and family member. So friend, be connected with me and remember me in your prayer. We will meet you in next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.